Corrosion. Corrosion is a major problem, costing industry over $300 billion in the United States alone. Corrosion creates problems for anyone working with metal, whether it's mechanical failures, higher wastes, or shorter equipment lifespans. Whenever metal parts are exposed to oxygen, moisture, and humidity, corrosion protection is needed. This is especially true during periods of shutdown and operational standby. The damage that occurs to idle equipment can ultimately stop operations and inflict serious financial consequences. There have been a variety of possible solutions to corrosion problems during equipment layup. Conventional practices have included the use of hazardous coatings, solvent-based cleaners, desiccants, and nitrogen blankets. One revolutionary method of combating corrosion is by applying Cortec vapor corrosion inhibitors. Cortec vapor corrosion inhibitors, or VCIs, provide continuous, uninterrupted protection in all three phases: the water phase, the vapor phase, and the water-vapor interface. The protective barrier formed is self-replenishing and does not need to be reapplied during layup. In most applications, VCI protection does not need to be removed. Cortec's line of vapor corrosion inhibitor layup products accommodate a variety of wet and dry layup applications. This line of products eliminates the measuring and handling associated with traditional methods of protection. The first product in Cortec's layup line is the Boiler Lizard, designed especially for dry layup and shutdown of boilers. The Lizard includes VCI powder packaged in a water-soluble polyvinyl alcohol bag. Lizards prevent corrosion on ferrous metals and aluminum in enclosed spaces. Just add one to the enclosure and slit open. Then seal all the openings, and the VCIs in the Boiler Lizard will migrate to protect all metal surfaces. One Boiler Lizard protects up to 1,000 gallons. Each lizard weighs only 1.9 pounds and will provide corrosion protection for up to 24 months. Once your regular startup procedure begins, the PVA bag dissolves, making easy cleanup. Cortec's next layup animal is the cooling loop gator. Just like its name, it's ideal for the layup of cooling towers. Cooling loop gators employ the same water-soluble bag packaging for easy application. Each cooling loop gator weighs only 2.2 pounds and can protect up to 250 gallons of water. One case of cooling loop gators protects up to 1,000 gallons of system volume. To apply the cooling loop gator, simply toss directly into the cooling tower and circulate. The water-soluble bag will dissolve in the cooling water within 15 minutes depending on the water temperature. To obtain a good protective layer, circulate the gator through all piping and equipment for at least 6 hours. After 6 hours of circulation, the powder will have reached all of the metal surfaces and created a protective layer. Following the circulation period, the system can be sealed and drained for dry layup or left filled for wet layup. Cortec also offers the revolutionary Cooling Tower Frog. The frog is ideal for dry layup of cooling towers. Just add the frog to the cooling tower, slit open, and close all openings. The VCI powder will attach to the metal surfaces and leave a thin layer of corrosion protection. The same size and weight as the cooling loop gator, the cooling tower frog will eliminate the need for measuring and expensive application equipment. For other applications, consider the closed loop toad. The toad specializes in closed loop systems, including fire extinguisher systems and hydrostatic testing systems. Its convenient size and VCI powder provide long-lasting, tough corrosion protection. It's also available in a convenient 2.2-pound size. Another alternative for layup is Cortec VcI 649. VcI 649 is a corrosion-inhibiting liquid that includes all of Cortec's corrosion prevention benefits. Application is easy. Only 0.1% or 1,000 parts per million by volume is needed for effective corrosion protection. VcI 649 is also available with a traceable polymer and is then known as VcI 649T. Cortec corrosion inhibitors offer significant advantages over traditional layup methods. Not only are they easy and economical to use, but also an environmentally friendly alternative to other corrosion protection methods. Cortec boiler lizards, cooling loop gators, closed loop toads, cooling tower frogs, and VpCI 649 use revolutionary vapor corrosion inhibitor technology to protect equipment during short and long-term layup. For more information on these products or other corrosion inhibitors, contact Cortec Corporation at 800-4-CORTEC or visit our website at cortecvci.com.